Is the best part of a black bear the outside or the inside? There are almost 1 million black bear in North America, with the annual harvest between 40 and 50,000 animals. Now your first thought might be, man, that would make a really big rug. Because here in Alberta, until this year, the fur from a black bear was the only thing you were obligated to process under the regulations. And I'm sure the tanneries and taxidermists were happy about that, but public opinion has changed on that matter, and as of spring 2025, now you can harvest a black bear for the fur or the meat or both.
I love every part. Just beautiful hide, fat, and meat. You can't really say that about a deer, right? No one's chewing on deer tallow.
Last year, Jeremy showed us how to render bear fat. And he came back to bear camp this spring and had another successful hunt. And if you want to see the backstory of how this hunt came to fruition, you're going to want to click on this video. And let me tell you that I've been hunting bear many, many years, and I've told lots of bear hunting stories. I have never told a bear hunting story quite like this one.
He is beautiful.
In this episode, we're going to hand the camera over to Jeremy himself so he can share with us another culinary concoction of the Ursus americanus variety. You got some good recipes for this one there, Jeremy?
I do. I saw one for bear bacon, which I don't know, I think that would taste really great.
Sounds good, pal. Take it away. Jared, Wilmsy.
Sorry, I was just thinking about the time I went to Cabela's and didn't spend all my money. Well, it's been a little over a week since I got back from bear camp. A bunch of things have changed since then. One, I've been finally able to shower off all the bear camp stank, which is great. Yeah, I took on a little water. I got a nice raspberry from getting punched in the face at jiu-jitsu. That's a bummer. And 3, bear bacon is ready for the smoker. So I got to pick up a couple things before I start that process. Problem is, the place I gotta stop at it's my favorite place in the world other than the bush. I'm gonna need a lot of discipline here. I only need 2 things. You know how hard that's gonna be walking in here and just getting 2 things? I gotta concentrate. No, stop it. No, stop it. Ooh. Oh, no.
I send some restraint in the force.
Oh, look at this. No. Bryce highly recommended this, and it's on sale. Right on. Woo! That was stressful. It's got to be the first time I've ever come here and then left with only the things that I actually intended on buying. It's crazy. It's nuts. Anyway, smoker. It's on to 180 degrees. I'm going to smoke the meat till turtle temperature is 160, which is more than safe enough to get rid of any presence of trichinosis. That's going to take a few hours. In the meantime, I'm going to take the meat out. I'll give it a good wash off because it'll be really, really salty if you don't wash it off. Pat it dry, and we'll get it on the smoker as fast as we can. This thing together. See if Bryce was lying on his video. Well, I want to say I'm fast, but I opened the box and everything was together already.
How am I supposed to know?
It has been on for 7 hours. We are almost there. Almost at 160. So this is what 8 hours is. Looks pretty good to me. Real nice, actually. Regular bacon's behind it. So I think I'm already starting to see maybe a mistake that I made with this bacon. I haven't tried it yet, but as you can see, I took off probably maybe too much fat on this piece, or on these pieces. So on pork belly, there's gonna be a lot more fat on here. So I'm gonna cut it and we're gonna see what happens. But like I said, I think I may have taken off too much. So when cooking this, I'll have to maybe cook it in extra grease or something like that, just to keep it moist. Well, so far that looks pretty sweet. We'll do an initial taste test. I'm not gonna fry this up. I'm just gonna eat it cold and just kind of see what it tastes like. But yeah, it's got a little bit of like a jerky taste to it. It doesn't really taste like bacon. It tastes like something completely different, but like salty, tastes good. Yeah, something completely different. But man, that was pretty delicious. It's breakfast time now. So put some bear grease onto the pans first. Maybe that'll help with making these a little fattier. But we'll try it out and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, heating it up is even better. With that bear grease on it, that tastes really good. I'm super impressed how that turned out. Tasted great, was pretty easy. It took a lot of time, but it tasted really awesome and it was worth it. Another great end to a great adventure.
If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments what you think of hunting and eating the beautiful and amazing black bear. Not only do we love our black bear, we also love thumbs ups and new subscribers. So join the adventure and keep on watching.